ba 7 ka na? Sabi mo, kakain ka na ng iba-ibang foods. Di ba? Hindi lang puro ham. Promise, ah? Sana, gumaling ka na, maging healthy parate, maging mabait kay mami at kay daddy, kay tanan, no? Mabait naman yan eh. Minsan, may simpong lang. Sige, happy birthday!
Oh, wow! So that is Miss Evelyn Francisco. Palapakan muna natin. Okay, look at the camera. Thank you so much. Okay, now Miss Evelyn, I want you to stay here for a while. Thank you so much. Now, we have another 7 Bluebills participants. Make a round of applause for Miss Elizabeth there. Palakpakan muna natin si Miss Elizabeth.
Birthday! Masaya ka na? Nakatulog ka kagabi? Sabi kasi excited eh. Paano lang siya matutulog kagabi? O ngayon, ano masasabi mo? Okay ka na? O sige, happy birthday! Sana maging mabait na si Tete. No? O sige, happy birthday!
Alright, that is a big round of applause for Miss Elizabeth there. Alright, now next we have Miss Elsie Galvez. Isang malakas sa palakpakan muna for Miss Elsie Galvez. Alright.
Okay, happy birthday. Hindi mo na kailangan ng 1,000. Ano na lang, every time na gusto mong edit sa tindahan, kuha ka na lang ng kuha. Pwede yun? Ha? Pwede yun? Di ba gano'n? May voucher ka worth 1,000.
Oh, wow.
Ha? Happy birthday, be a good boy. Ito sa'yo.
Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Miss Elsie Galvez. Wala bang palakpakan yan? Thank you so much. Now the next Bluebills participants may call the attention of Miss Mary Grace Diwa. Isang malakas sa palakpakan muna.
Hey, happy birthday. Sana magpataba ka na magmula bukas, no? Kumain ka na ng may sabaw. Para tababa ka na. Happy birthday.
Okay, so that is Miss Elsie Diwa. Now the next participants for the 7 Bluebills. A big round of applause for Miss Mylene Maglaki. Where is Miss Mylene?
Happy birthday.
Make some wish. Okay. Nag-wish na po ba sila? Okay. So thank you so much, Miss Mylene. Now next we have another wisher and another 7 Bluebills. We have Miss Maribel Santos. Palakpakan muna natin, Miss Maribel Santos.
Happy birthday, Tete. Sa wish ko sana maging I love you, Day. Happy birthday.
Alright, so thank you so much, Miss Maribel Santos. Now, ladies and gentlemen, so just to complete the 7 blue meals, we have last but not the least a big round of applause for Miss Berna Manansala. Wala bang palakpak yan?
Hi, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana kahit wala yung daddy mo, kumain ka, no? Okay? Promise?
Okay. Okay, now thank you so much. Now you witnessed the 7 Blue Bills participants. Now we're having our photo participants, please. Okay, dito tayo. Sa group, we'll have our group photo.